Hello, my name is Dominik Owsiak. I'm the responsible sales manager for the German market.
Hello, Dominik. Nice to have you at the Summit Talks.
Thank you very much.
How does the international cooperation in a company like ours look like?
It's very dynamical because we have a lot of communications inside, and during all departments we have the pleasure and the opportunity that our business, I say always, is people's business, and that what we do external we always need to do internal, and with all departments we have the luck that we are very close in communication together.
Okay, but I know that you will see some sort of differences between the people in the country.
Of course.
Like there are different people in Poland, there are different people in France, and for instance, the German precision adds to the mix. So does it, is it a positive or a negative thing that we have different cultures inside the same company?
I think it's a very strong add-on, because you are totally right that we are different. I would like to say a guy from Germany that we are very, very straight ahead, or strictly. People from the western part of Europe have the easier way of working. But in general, I think pointed on this, that we have different cultures in our company. This is a benefit for us, because first we can learn from each other, and secondly, based on this, that we are an international cooperation, we have the possibility to have the knowledge how different cultures works, and connected with this, that we are work in an international environment with different cultures, which are our customers, we can participate from the cultures in the company inside. Okay.
And for the German market, as you mentioned previously, how does the contact with the client look like?
In German, as a lot of my colleagues in different departments says, in German is the contact with customers really stricter and much more formal. We can speak like, hello Matt, hello Dominic, it's Mrs. or it's Mr. It's only a kind of the culture, the nation in which we work. The positive element of the strictly and straight ahead contact is this, that from Germany, others can maybe participate on this, that the formal point of working, it's always cared about this. And this is something who it's interesting. And as you mentioned previously, the precision is an important part as well of our work. And without precision, we can be so successful. And I think as a very nice add-on.
Okay, so is it the best benefit that a client can gain from being in contact with us, or is there anything else?
No, of course it's not the best contact. I think all multiple benefits which our company gives to the customer are the benefits. Exactly as you have mentioned, on the German market, we have the positive impact to our customers that we are a very digital-driven company. And this add-on of the digitalizations, all these tools which we offer to the customer in our full service offer is an unique selling point against our competitor, which makes the force of the company.
What is the process behind thinking about the new services for our clients?
It's, I think, one of the most important basic of our branch is that customer needs to be in the center, and we need to hear what is the customer requirement and demand, connected with the change of demographic structures. The next steps which we need to have is going more and more in competence, more and more in smarter services, which we need to develop to catch the requirements of the customers in the near future.
Okay, so which demand is the highest at this moment?
The highest demand of this moment, it's really that we miss in whole Europe the capacity of work, of production possibilities.
The capacity of work.
Yes,
okay.
and we, like a service provider, have the option that we can give our customers this opportunity to catch his goals.
Mm-hmm. Do you think that the unifying or standardizing the services in the company across the countries, do we benefit from this solution?
Of course, that's an extraordinary benefit which we can give our customers, because we, like a large corporation in Europe, have the additional add-on that no matter if the customer needs the requirement or he requests in Turkey, or if they are connected with requirements in Belgium, for example, Poland, Slovakia, in each country we have all same standards, all same ways from the beginning to the end of providing customer the service. And this is, for example, as you have mentioned in the beginning, in countries like Germany, very, very high value, because the customer knows the precision of our works, knows the procedures of our work, and this gives him what is very important in the economic environment, safeness.
In which category of services should we focus in the future?
I think the most important what we need to do is working with human and artificial intelligence.
Artificial
intelligence. Yes. Mm-hmm. This is the way which we need to go to the future, because you and me, for my own opinion, we always need to be required in our work, but we need to be always one step ahead. And artificial intelligence, it's one of the tools which makes the difference between companies who are successless and successful. And I know we, like our company, will be successful.
A couple of years ago, there were companies that didn't use computers. And that was the biggest step
for example, far. Exactly.
Right. So those who got the computer, they got the economical and, I think, industrial edge over the competition.
Exactly.
So in this case, we cannot sleep over
the AI topic. We need to be very fast. We need to be very smart, and no matter with which age you are worked with your employees, from the youngest who is for this total standard tool to work, to the older generation, we need to be fit in this.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And how do you see our company in case of using the modern technologies, the things that are ecological, AI, so the like artificial intelligence? Do we keep up with others, or are we a couple of steps ahead?
I think that we are a couple of steps ahead, because when I checking the environment of all companies in our branch, that I know that we use, for example, a lot of applications with our employees, with communications with the customers, what is for the moment a normal way of work. But years before, that was totally, I'm sorry for saying this very easy, Star Trek, in connection with our competitors. And as you mentioned, in our internal departments, we're thinking about it, how we can use new technologies much more smarter. And yes, that is an value of our company, where I say we are better than our competitors.
Okay. And you mentioned Star Trek, so the future, and I'll get back to the past, okay, for a second. Which situation from the past do you remember as being the most, maybe not problematic, but it got us a chance of doing something new from the past?
I think it's a question of growing, that we like a dynamic company growing always very, very fast. And if you're growing fast, you make maybe mistakes and you learn after these mistakes. I think here it's always important that one of our board members says this, think twice, then make one mistake one time.
Okay, so thinking ahead, basically.
Exactly. And acting fast, but thinking slow for the right decision.
Okay. Now let's focus on you, Dominik. What was your greatest success in the company?
My greatest success was or is when I see how successful I'm a part of the team, and my success is when I see each year the year is close, and I'm happy that we can, together with our team, catch the goals and develop our German entity. I always say that you're always so strong when you have a strong team, and for me it's important that I'm the part of the team, and I'm happy when I'm together with the team strong.
So your people are important to you, probably the most important.
As saying in the beginning, our business is people's business. The most important people are the employee. And I'm proud to be a part of them.
Okay, so I know how you deal in the company, how you work in the company. But tell me, what are your goals for the future?
Be the best.
Okay, so do you have some sort of a challenge for yourself?
Catching each year the goals which I have set me.
Okay, so you change those to be even higher.
Exactly.
Okay.
I think that's a not good way of acting when a manager have catch some goals and be relaxed and work on the same level. We want to be as an exact the best, and that's our vision.
Okay, so let's also talk about your position. What do you do as the sales manager?
In Germany, I'm responsible for the business development of the German entity, as well for actions which could be possible in Austria and in Switzerland. I'm responsible for leading the sales team and supporting our general manager in his daily work.
How do we implement our quality standards in other industries? Or how do we implement our quality standards in contrast to other industries?
We have here the fortunate situation that most of our business is an automotive industry, and connected with this, we are in an industry which have the most highest standard. Means when we have worked, for example, with other industries, with other customers, not in this branch, we fortunately work on such high level of standards that we can surprise the customer, which is not working in automotive industries. It's a total flower bucket which we offer our customer, and it's difficult to explain this in detail. I think we will have enough time.
Okay, but thank you very much. And Dominik, thank you very much for the summit talk.
Matt, it was a pleasure for me.
Bye. Thank you very much.